Hi guys, how are you? I hope all is well. Let's now start a new video about Chat GPT. If you want to learn many skills about social media, about your homeopathic clinics, anyone, about agricultures, about more much business, about anything. So easily, if you want free course, no need to pay, no need to investment. If you want to free courses, so it's very easily now. Simply you want to install Chat GPT, you go to Play Store, search Chat GPT. Chat GPT you want to install. I have already installed, and if you want to more interesting, so then AI Chat GPT ask any question, anything easily giving to response. But I have Chat GPT, 10 million plus this one installers, so it's very easily. If you have free, so I have free. If you want to any course, is very easily. First of all, I make search any about things, social media accounts, anything you want to search. It give to very easily response in few seconds, no more time. If you make so, you see, I make search. If you know Urdu language, any language is very easily, but English language is the basic language of the Chat GPT. So I want to search English language. First of all, is only just is the my viewers. You see, is the search bar I give to is very easily is the one example to Chat GPT giving me too much option, too much. Is the only just the 1 to 3 second between is the very easily all. If you want to any course means about social media, about your earning systems, about you medicals, about agricultures, about your means business, so very easily now, no need to pay, no need to go to here there in the too much courses. It's a very easily you search make to Chat GPT, and no need to you go to much more website in social media. It's just very easily. So you see, I make search in the Chat GPT giving me too much option. You see, YouTube channel growth. That's a whole answer about my questions giving to me. You see about this one, and now I make one more search about. You see. You see, is the Pakistan about giving to easily all about information. You see, but if you need any question, submit to comment section about any courses about YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, X, and WhatsApp settings in a mobile setting also. If you want to any questions, you submit to comment section. I give you answer. It's a very easily, and I give to full of information about to social media and about making 3D your pictures, your logo, about to any social media accounts and settings, about Pixel Lab, about VN, about IN, and much more accounts about social media. If you want to growing, if you want to money earning, start to YouTube, especially TikTok, YouTube, and social media, Facebook accounts, Instagram is giving money, but if you want to promote other people business and products, so them also Instagram giving to money, and Facebook also. In YouTube, if you have 500 plus subscriber and 3000 per hours subscription viewers, and if you want to monetize YouTube accounts, 1000 must be need you have the subscriber and 3000 plus hours your viewers times in 90 day between, very easily, that's also. But if you want to any question, you submit in the comment section. I will give you all information about. And if you not my subscribe channel, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press bell icon, and all is my social media, YouTube's, Facebook's, and other account. YouTube is very easily my YouTube account name, debate info Urdu, about to social media, about anywhere you have problem, you tell in submit comment section your comment, and I give you a response. Facebook is name Muhammad Azim Abbasi. That is my official name page. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Facebook, follow me, and Instagram, explore the world. That's the name is my favorite name, because I make a logo for all about social media, all means about business, about to promote products, and anywhere. If you need any information, you submit in comment section. I will give you all response about your accounts, your account settings, and about social media. So please you subscribe and follow me in all social media account. Thank you so much. This is free of cost for you, but must be need you follow and subscribe after you submit in comment section. If you know have more systems, so please don't disturb and don't comment a section about any social media and other accounts. If you not follow me and subscribe, you not send me message in my inbox, messengers, and WhatsApps. I give you a response only who follow me and subscribe me. Thank you so much.